Hello friends, it's time again to cast off my Peace of Mind fan. Peace of Mind fan is one of the fans that I'm doing this year, and I've got a lot of questions about it. It's very simple, trust me. Anytime I say trust me for this. Very simple to set it up. And these are my Peace of Mind fan. That means that if at the end of the month I don't have a job, my husband don't have a job, and something happened, these are the funds that we be so excited to pay off. It means you have to have money ahead of time to pay this off. So for me and my family, we have mortgage, food, gas, car insurance, phone, electricity, home gas, internet, Apple One, miscellaneous. So these are our Peace of Mind fund. So because I know how much I pay every month, I wrote the amount here and I divided it by the number of leaves here. So it means that each leaves get the amount that is assigned here. If you've been following me, I started this, I think, no beginning of the year. I think about half of the year, and I'm still doing it. It's not something that I'm really rushing into it. I wish I can, but you guys know it's getting to the end of the year. Money is very tight. But anytime I cast off it, I cast off with $100. So let's count the money to see if we have $100. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. I feel like it's supposed to be 20. Oh, there's one here. 20, I knew it. So that's 20. Then I have 30. Then I have 50. Then I have 150. So that makes it, let me move it here a little. That makes $100. So my first one is my mortgage. That one get $50. Then I'll mark one of the leaves. I'm sure this time around we've already done another batch. So we will go to the bank very soon. I'm thinking of going to the bank at the end of the month. Then I'll start all over for another batch in December. So that's what I'm thinking. So we will do that when we do the count. So that one get 50. Then my next one is food. Food get 20. I'm so excited I'm doing this. Like I said, it's very, very simple. And you can do it slowly, and you will get there. My next one is gas. Gas get $5. And I already have a first batch, like 10 of them, of the leaves that I did in my higher savings account. My next one is my car insurance. That one gets $6. Oh, I didn't mark it. My next one is my phone. Phone get $4. My next one is also getting $4. That's the electricity bill. Okay, let me see. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 22, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Yeah, I did get distracted by the kids, so I wanted to double check if everything was okay with this one. So I did add $4 and mark it. Okay, so let's move on to this one. This one is home gas. Home gas get $3. Okay, so $3 goes in here. Okay, so I put in $3. The kids are making a lot of noise, so in case you hear anything, you know how the deal goes. Okay, so that get $3. Okay, this one is internet. That one also get $3. Then I have my Apple One. That one get $1. Yeah, this is one of the things that a lot of people have been asking me. How should Apple One be one of our peace of mind fan? To tell you, my Apple One is one of the things I've done with Apple that I'm super excited. Apple One is the subscription that you pay every month, and it's about $50. And we are a family, 5 of us have Apple, so we can listen to music for free. We have Apple TV. We have exercise on it, which I don't use it, which is so bad. So is what, and I have my storage for my videos on there as well. So I love it. I feel like it's one of the importance for me. Everybody is different, so if that's important for me, she. So this one is my miscellaneous. In case I didn't plan for anything, that one get $4. So let me put that one here. Okay. So that's so far peace of mind fun. And I'll do the main one. Okay. So I can't wait to take it to the bank. Super excited. Okay. Thank you for joining me today. I really appreciate it. I will see you guys in my next video. Go and be grateful. Bye.